Good evening. I'm coming to you from the Rockville, well actually from the Red Line Metro. I'm heading to Rockville, my home station. I'm almost there, but I thought, hey, well, let's just record the video here on the train because today's topic is about TravelCon. That is the conference that I attended last year, almost a year ago, that really changed my life, put me on this trajectory towards trying to find a way to find a living about travel. So this is my attempt, humbling towards something that is travel related, and I'm trying a bunch of stuff out. So I'm gonna keep talking about these various parts of my journey here. But TravelCon is a conference that encompasses all sorts of different travel things, from blogging to video logging to YouTube, I guess I said video, social media, search engine optimization, basically everything to do with travel and travel related lifestyle and business opportunities. And really it's a huge networking opportunity. That for me was the big takeaway. And I met so many people that were doing kind of similar things, or at least had similar goals in mind, and that was the big value add for me. So I'm getting off the train here. So, but last year was in Austin, Texas, and I had a great time visiting the city and also meeting all these people. And next year, I didn't get to go this year, but next year it's going to be in New Orleans, so I will report back later, well, in a year, about that. So that's it for today. I'll have to talk more about it later when I'm not so distracted. Have a good evening. Bye.